Did you know that repotting your plants can help them grow healthier and happier? It's a simple process that can make a huge difference. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share some easy plant repotting hacks and tips for beginners. Repotting your plants can improve their health and growth significantly. Whether you have a small succulent or a large houseplant, these tips will help you keep them thriving. Many beginners face challenges when it comes to repotting their plants. One common issue is dealing with root-bound plants, where the roots have outgrown the current pot and are circling the bottom. Another challenge is choosing the right pot size. If the pot is too small, the plant won't have enough room to grow. If it's too big, the soil can stay too wet and cause root rot. Additionally, some beginners are unsure about the right type of soil to use for different plants, which can also affect plant health. Let's walk through the repotting process step by step. Step 1. Removing the plant first. Gently remove the plant from its current pot. If it's stuck, try tapping the sides or squeezing the pot slightly. You can also run a knife around the edge of the pot to loosen the soil. Step 2. Inspecting the roots next. Inspect the roots. Healthy roots are white and firm, while brown or black roots indicate rot. Trim any dead or rotten roots with clean scissors. If the roots are tightly wound, gently tease them apart with your fingers. Step 3. Choosing the right pot. Choose a new pot that's about 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter than the current one and has drainage holes. Proper drainage is crucial to prevent waterlogging and root rot. Step 4. Preparing the pot. Fill the bottom of the new pot with a layer of fresh soil. The type of soil you use depends on your plant. For example, succulents and cacti need well-draining soil, while most houseplants thrive in a standard potting mix. Step 5. Placing the plant. Place your plant in the center of the new pot. Add soil around the plant, filling in the gaps. Press down gently to eliminate air pockets, ensuring the plant is stable and upright. Step 6. Watering. After repotting, water your plant thoroughly. This helps to settle the soil and reduces transplant shock. Make sure the excess water drains out of the pot. Here's a key tip. Use a chopstick or a similar tool to gently loosen compacted roots before placing the plant in the new pot. This helps the roots spread out and grow more easily in the fresh soil. It's a simple hack that can make a big difference in how well your plant adjusts to its new home. Another great tip is to water your plant a day or two before repotting to make the roots more flexible and easier to work with. Here are a few more tips to keep in mind. Repotting timing. The best time to repot most plants is during their active growing season, typically spring or early summer. Signs your plant needs repotting. Look for signs like roots growing out of the drainage holes, the plant becoming top-heavy, or the soil drying out quickly after watering. Using mulch. Adding a layer of mulch on top of the soil can help retain moisture and keep the soil temperature stable. Fertilizing. Wait a few weeks after repotting before fertilizing to avoid overloading the plant with nutrients while it's still adjusting. To recap, repotting your plants involves removing them from their old pot, inspecting and trimming the roots, choosing the right pot size, and using fresh soil. Remember to water thoroughly after repotting. These steps are essential for maintaining plant health and encouraging growth. Give these repotting tips a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Share your experiences and any additional tips you might have. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Check out our other plant care videos for more tips and tricks.